Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make chicken potato white soup. Bring a pot and put 2 breasts cut into cubes and 1.5 onion cut very fine. Add 1.5 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and you're gonna see me over there where the stove is. Now see, put in medium heat and just mix it very well. Add 1/4 cup of water so it doesn't stick to the pot. Just make sure you have to stand here and mix it because the chicken gets stuck into the pot. Just every half a minute you just mix it all well until the chicken gets brown. You know, see what I'm doing? I'm going back and forth to show you, just to show you. See how the chicken, how it looks? It's a very nice color. And add 11 cups of water. Mix it and just let it boil. Put it in high to boil for like 20 minutes. See how every time you go and mix it. Bring the frying pan, add the oil. You know how to fry potato. I don't have to give you exact measurement of the oil. Just put 1/2 teaspoon salt, mix the potato, and let the oil get hot. So we're not cooking the potato here. We're just making it brown so we can use it in the soup. It's gonna finish cooking there in the soup. See, I finished now. Put the plate under the strainer so the potato can drip on it, you know, the oil, so it doesn't make a mess on your stove. Now bring the pot and add the potato. Add it in the soup, but just mix it one time because the potato, when it cooks, it gets mushy, you know. So here we don't want to see it mushy in the soup. No, we want to see it whole. Now leave it for 15 minutes to 20. Just mix it on the sides so you don't mush it. And garnish it with the parsley and cilantro. See how the water is going down a little? So don't make it dry or too much liquidy. Here you go. Bon appetit. You're not gonna regret. Try it and let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. And stay tuned for more recipe. Thank you.